Are you sleepy? Why are you giving me the side eye? And why is one ear up like that? Are you lounging? Are you lounging? What? ¿Qué tú estás haciendo? ¿Qué tú estás haciendo? Okay. Okay. I love you. I love you. Okay, you can go back to sleep. Are you gonna lounge again? You're like, I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I don't know what I'm going to do. Do I want to lounge? Do I want to sit? I don't know. Do I want to stretch? Are you stretching? That was a nice stretch. You're looking at the window again. What do you see, baby? What? Okay, that's it.